one challenge that nobody wants to do ever. The Pink Puzzle Challenge! So, you get flavors, and we're gonna use the spinning wheel. I'm gonna show you what the spinning wheel looks like after a minute. Here's what it looks like. The spinning wheel has the flavors, and then you just have to spin it. Alex, don't.
Oh, you spin it. You show the spinner what you make.
When you. I have to spin it again. You spin it for me.
You show it, and then we spin. Ay, mali. Wait. Ate got... Oh, wait. Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
Stinky Socks is not that bad, isn't it?
I don't know. Don't spit it out.
Yeah. And then water.
Water daw. Yung water nila na ba? Is that Tutti Frutti?
Yeah.
Tutti Frutti.
Okay, my turn.
Oh, wait. You spin the wheel. I spin the wheel for you. Alex got... Oh. Let's see what Alex got. Ay, mali. Ay, ano ba yun? I want it to spin. There. What Alex got?
Bugger!
Lime or lawn clippings.
I don't
You get the green one.
I don't like that.
This one, the green one. Not that. That's the one. Yan.
Oh, it's for you, Mama.
No, it's for you.
Why? It's not this one.
No, it's not. It's okay. Yummy?
At may get water.
Yan na po, ma'am.
For Alex too.
It's good. Alex like it.
My turn.
Ate, do it again.
The
Want me to
Tutti Frutti almost tastes
Oh,
like the
I spin it here.
Oh my God.
Let's see what Alex get. Ate get. Aray ko. Wait. I want it to spin.
What? Not the bad one.
Ay,
Not the bad one.
I want it to spin. Why is not spinning anymore?
Not the bad one. Not the bad one. Not the bad one. Please,
Ah.
not the bad one. Please.
There. You get lime or lawn clippings too. The green one too.
I know this. Mommy, this one's the...
You show yourself to the video.
This one looks like the real burger.
Move. Ikaw, move. Show yourself here. Dito ka, ate, so everybody can see you. Is it good? Skip it.
Okay, my turn.
It's good naman. Ang arte naman ito.
Yeah. My turn for me.
Mm,
It almost tastes like grass.
Lasang medyo nga. It's okay. Not bad. Alex get... Ano ba yan? There. What Alex got? Buttered popcorn or rotten egg. This one. The call. Ate, Alex, do it.
Oh. What's in it?
Is that buttered popcorn or rotten egg?
This one, which one
Ate,
is this
don't
one?
get it
What
na.
one was that one?
Oh.
This one?
Move. Oo. Buttered popcorn or rotten egg?
You have to peel up the shell.
Good. It's good again. Everything's good for Alex.
Bad for me.
Ate naman. Ate's turn.
Oh.
Good. It's good. Hindi eh. It's not good, anak, but it's still good for you. Hindi na amoy popcorn yan, anak. Amoy rotten egg. But you're still eating it, na?
Not good.
It's good daw eh.
Why Alex is eating rotten egg? Is it rotten egg?
Yeah, she got rotten egg.
Ate get?
Ate get. Ay, ano ba yan? Sorry. There. Ate got licorice or skunk spray. You sit here.
I'm not gonna do
Oy, Alex did everything, ah.
the black one.
Drink water, ikaw, anak.
Mommy,
Get the black one. Show yourself in the video.
I'm so scared.
Maybe it's just licorice. Dito ka na. I turn off the video na. Dito ka, isa.
I taste it a bit.
Sit down. I show the video kasi to dad. Good.
Ah.
Ang baho. skunk spray yan.
I told you.
You okay? Finish?
Pwede yung tubig na
No.
matapos.
I don't like
One more for Alex. Ate, don't do that. You want to get the black one too? Ate, wag na. Which one? Tutti Frutti? Alex like the Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
Can I choose one? This one.
No more na. Oh, wala na nga yan eh. Okay? You like it, Alex?
What is supposed to be
Let me smell.
this one? What is supposed to be?
I don't know
What is supposed
That's
to be?
Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti.
Okay, let me get that one. I have one more. Actually, that's not that one.
That's Tutti Frutti. Okay. We're gonna do Mommy and Lolo naman. Say bye.
No, Mom! No, Mommy! Not Mommy! No, Auntie and you.
Auntie and me. Okay. Say bye-bye na to your video.
Bye! Bye!